Hi children, நாம் இன்னைக்கு யூனிட் நம்பர் 6 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் லெசன் உடைய புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைசஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ், choose the correct answer. First one, வெற்றி went to Asif's office. Second one, வெற்றி came to Chennai to visit his friend. Third, Asif saw his friend through the camera. Next, choose correct synonyms for the italic word. Synonyms na namak theriyum, meanings. Vetri constructed a bungalow. Constructed adodaya synonyms on built. The second one, the brother started a business separately. Separately means தனித்தனியா. அப்போ அதோடைய மீனிங் alone. Second one and the next third one, I am living in the outskirts of the village. Outskirts means border. இந்த எல்லைன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். நெக்ஸ்ட் fourth one, Asif quarreled with his friend. Quarreled means சண்டை போடுறது, fought. Next fifth one, he stood astounded. Astounded, astounded na surprised. Astounded means surprised. Next, choose the correct antonyms for the italic word. First one, antonyms means opposite. Vetri's wife replied angrily. Angrily na கோபமா, அதுக்கு opposite calmly. Next, the vegetables look fresh. Fresh ஆ நல்லா புதுசா இருக்குது அர்த்தம். அதுக்கு opposite rotten, வீணா போனது. Next, Vetri had a strong will to start a new business. Strong, அதுக்கு opposite weak. Next, fourth one, Vetri was surprised by his friend. அதுக்கு opposite unsurprised. He spoke nervously. Nervously na கொஞ்சம் பயந்துட்டு தயக்கத்தோட. அதுக்கு opposite confident. Okay. Next, let us move to the next exercise. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. And the first question is the short question. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. Short answer பண்றது. What was the name of Vetri's company? Vetri Constructions. Why did he sell his properties? To pay the loans. Which was the hometown of Vetri and Asif? Keelakudi. When did Vetri receive a call from Asif's office? 2 days after their meeting.